Hello, Lasya.
Hello, sir.
Did you understand all the concept I taught in the last class, or you need me to revise it?
Sir, I'm clear with AP.
You're clear with it, no? Okay. Then let's solve some questions. Try to solve this.
Only me. You okay? Yeah, no, okay. Yeah. But like much fun. Keep it in your bag. Bag lo పెట్టుకో. యా బుట్లో ఇప్పుడు చామని ఇంకా ఎక్కడ మర్చిపోయింది అతను ఒక కవర్ అడుగో దాంట్లో పెట్టుకో ప్లాస్టిక్ కవర్ లో నేను ఎక్కడ మార్చుకోనన్నా బట్లో అట్లనా రిటర్న్ వాష్రూమ్ లేకపోతే ఈ రూమ్ పోతావా అక్కడ వాళ్ళు మామ ఉండరా దాని అడగను కదా బిఫోర్ యూ గో టు బెడ్ అదర్వైజ్ ఐల్ కీప్ టర్నింగ్ దిస్ వే యూ వేర్ Amazing. Sir, I think it is option D 0.
Option D 0. Correct. Try this. They're asking 19th term from the end of the series.
Okay, sir. Sir, option C, 14.
Option C, 14. Correct. Achha, how did you do this one?
Sir, I had solved these similar problems in grade 10 also. So I took D is equals to -4 and A is equals to 86.
Means you started the series from the end.
Yes, sir.
That's the better way. Actually, these are not tough questions. These are just to make you understand the concept. You know the concept. So once you know the concept, then we can start with the difficult problems. This also will be easy for you. Not difficult.
Yes, sir. I'll say the answer, sir. 1 minute. Sir, it is option C, 89.
89. Right. Now come to this one. This question is based on sum.
Sir, option B, 520.
Now you try to solve question that I am. Try this.
Sir, can you bring the question a bit down? I'm not able to see the sign clearly in the numerator. Okay, sorry.
Now, okay, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, is it option B 2r plus 1?
Was it difficult or easy? Easy only, na?
Yes, sir. Mid.
A medium. Medium, you can say. Acha, now try to do this one. Then I'll give you one question based on similar concept. This one, and then but mixed with trigonometry.
Sir, I'm not able to get the answer.
See, in these, what is there? No? You know, A1, A2, A3, they all are in AP, right? Now, once you know they are in AP, that means A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2, will be equal to A4 minus A3. They are all equal because of the common difference D, yes? Because
Yes, sir.
that's the property of AP. Now,
Yes.
what we can do is, whenever the sequence, the series is given in this form, 1 by A1, A2, it's a basic idea. This idea works so many times, and so many questions are asked on the basis of this. Whenever you have something and you do not know how to simplify this series, try to write the each and every term like this: 1 by A1 minus 1 by A2. Let me write it better. Trying to write something else. I wrote something. Can you tell me what would be 1 by A1 minus 1 by A2? It will be A2 minus A1 by A1 A2, na?
Yes, sir.
It will be D by A1 A2. Similarly, if I take 1 by A2 minus 1 by A3, what it will be? A3 minus A2 divided by A2 A3.
A2, A3.
It's D by A2 A3. Similarly, in the same way, if I take 1 by an minus 1 by an plus 1, what I'll get? An plus 1 minus an divided by an plus 1. An plus 1 minus an is what? D by n into n. That means what? If this series is given to me, if I multiply and divide with D, I would be getting this easily. Means 1 by D, D by A1 A2 plus D by A2 A3 plus D by A3 A4 plus and so on, D by an plus 1. Now this I know from the results, from this result and then from the next consecutive result. I can write this as 1 by D into 1 by A1 minus 1 by A2. This I can write second one as 1 by A2 minus 1 by A3. Now you will be able to see the pattern. This will be equal to 1 by A1 an minus 1 by an plus 1. Now what is there? This second term and this term are getting cancelled because negative and positive terms are consecutive. These will be cancelled with this. The only thing left will be 1 by D into 1 by A1 minus 1 by an plus 1, which is an plus 1 minus A1 divided by D into A1 an plus 1.
Okay, sir.
Now, what will be an plus 1? A1 plus n1 plus 1 minus 1 into D, because it is n plus 1th term.
Okay, sir.
A plus, and we have the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So this minus A1 divided by D into A1 into an plus 1. This will get cancelled. D will get again cancelled. It will become n by A1 an plus 1. This should be your answer.
Okay, sir.
You understood the idea, na? Whenever things are there, whenever things are given like this, the series which you cannot easily simplify, try writing the each term as a subtraction of two terms, so that the second term and the first term of the consecutive next term would they will try to cancel each other. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the same way, I'll
Can
give
you
you
1 second show me the steps? I'll just see.
see the steps.
Sir, to cancel out, we have written d by a1 into a2 in the form of 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now see, in a similar way, this question is there, but it is in the form of trigonometry. What I want to show you, it looks very complex, but you will be able to solve it easily if you try to write this series, each term as a sum of two terms, means one term minus other term. If you are able to do it, it will be easily done. Try. If you are able to do, okay, otherwise then do. This question will come in tougher category. Question category. But since you know the concept, I have told you the concept in an easier way. You will be able to do it.
Sir, can we write pi by 4 as another value like in the degree value? Pi by
40, 45 degree like that, no?
Yes, sir.
If you are convenient, you can do it. No problem.
Sir, will it make the problem more complicated or easy?
It depends. It depends on student to student. See, if you are comfortable in writing it as 45 degree, 30 degree, then nothing will change. It's just the way how you see it. If you are comfortable looking at the trigonometry question that way, it would be comfortable for you. If you this way it is easier to look at, then this will be easy. Whatever feels good, you can do it. Both ways you'll get the answer right. The first thing that you have to do is you have to write the term which is given to you as a subtraction of two different terms.
Sir, I'm not able to get the answer.
See how it will be done, na? If I write see these are two angles. Okay. Now if I write, if I take pi by 4 plus r1 r minus 1 into pi by 6 as one angle, theta 1, theta 2, and okay, theta 1 I'll take theta 1, and pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 as other angle, then because the denominator sine is there, if I write sine of theta 1 minus theta 2 minus theta 1 divided by sine theta 1 into sine theta 2, what I'll get? What is theta 2 minus theta 1? It's pi by 6.
Yes, sir.
So, but that is constant. We can actually multiply and divide. So what I'll be doing, this will become sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. Divided by sin theta 1 into sin theta 2. So this will become cos theta 1 by sin theta 1 minus cos theta 2 by sin theta 2. Okay. So what you are getting, cot theta 1 minus cot theta 2.
Okay, sir.
Now see, that means what? If I in this series, the series which is given to me, it is 1 by sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 into pi by 6 into sine of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. If I want, I can write this as, I can just multiply and divide by sine pi by 6. By sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 into pi by 6 into sine of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now this pi by 6, because I know it is theta 2 minus theta 1, I can write this as sine of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus pi by 4 plus r minus 1 into pi by 6. By sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 into pi by 6 sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. Understood? 1 by sine 30. Now see what is there. This is actually theta 1. Sorry, this is theta 1. This is theta 2. This is again your theta 1. This is theta 2. So I can write this as cot theta 1 minus cot theta 2. Okay. Yes, na? cot θ1 minus θ2 ना, θ1 हाँ ठीक है, ओके। Okay, Lasya, are you able to see? I'm not able to hear your voice. Hello, 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 hello. Lasya, if you are speaking, I'm not able to hear your voice. Hello, hello, hello. Check. Hello, 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 hello. Mhm. Okay, okay, okay. So it will become 2 minus I'll take outside. It will become cot of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus cot pi by 4 plus r minus 1 into pi by 6. Now let's do something. Now, because this is sigma r is equal to 1 to how much they have taken? To 13. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 13 they have taken. Now let us expand it. Minus 2 will come outside. It is cot of pi by 4 plus pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 4. That only.
We are supposed to take cot 45 and cot 30-degree values and
No.
simplify.
Let's simplify. Let's write the sequence first. Then we will see. Then
Okay,
cot
sir.
of pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 4 plus pi by 6. There won't be a need actually. Plus cot of pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 6 plus cot of pi by 4 plus 4 pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 6. Okay, like this it will go up to cot of pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 4 plus 12 pi by 6.
Okay, sir.
Now see, this first term is getting cancelled with the last term. Again, this is getting cancelled with this term. Again, this is getting cancelled with this. This also will be cancelled. Now, initially, the first term is getting cancelled. Last term is remaining. So, in the end, what will be remaining? First term. This will be cancelled. Because in the 12th term, you will have here cot of pi by 4 plus 12 pi by 6 minus something, cot of pi by 4 plus 11 pi by 6. Okay. Now this will cancel with this. This also will be cancelled with before. So the term remaining will be this. So what you are having 2 into minus sign I have taken inside, cot of pi by 4 minus cot of pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6. Understood? See properly. Now how to simplify this? 13 pi by 6, I can write cot pi by 4, you already know it is 45 degree 1 minus cot 13 pi by 6 you can write as 2 pi plus pi by 6 plus pi by 4. And 2 pi is the period, so it will become same. It will be same. So 2 into 1 minus cot of 30 plus 45. 75 value you have to find. You have to solve it. 1 by 10, 30 plus 45. Let's expand it. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 10a plus 10b into 1 minus 10a 10b. 2 into 1 minus 1 by root 3.
The root 3 into 1.
1 plus 1 by root 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it will become 2 into 1 minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1.
Yes.
It will be 2 into root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Cancel it. 4 by root 3 plus 1. You further simplify it, 4 into root 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 4 into root 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 into root 3 minus 1. So the answer you are getting is 2 root 3 minus 2.
Minus 2.
Now what they have given in the question?
A root 3 plus b, and they're asking a square plus b square.
So the A
will be 8.
A is 2, b is minus 2. A square plus b square will be 4 plus 4, 8.
Plus 4, 8.
See, you understood this question was tougher side because it involved the trigonometry, but what I wanted to show you the method, how this this method now the series method is being used.
Okay, sir.
Now let's move on to the next concept. Next concept is arithmetic mean. Do you know what is mean? Arithmetic mean?
The middle part.
The middle number. Suppose I have A and B. Suppose capital A is the mean of that. Then arithmetic mean A is given by A plus B by 2. Why we say this? It's actually very simple, not difficult one. Arithmetic mean is the middle part. So if it is present between A and B, it will be actually in AP. So that means A minus A should be equal to B minus A, correct? So then that means we can do 2A is equal to A plus B. Then A will be equal to A plus B by 2. That's why we say A is A plus B by 2. Okay, that's the concept behind. Because when three numbers are there, there is a middle number. It should be in AP. Okay. Now, if there are n arithmetic means, between A and B, you have to find out the value of each mean. Then how you will do it? Can you give me the values? Let me show it one side. How it is given? There is one number A and there are n arithmetic means in between, a1, a2, a3, so on and so on up to an, and then b. You have to give me the value of a1, a2 in general term, or what would be the value of an, nth arithmetic mean, so that I can put the value of n and I'll find correspondingly a1, a2, a3 like that. Just give me an value. The knowledge is, because these all, they all will be in AP.
Sir, an will be n minus a plus n minus 1 into d.
An? No, why? See, you have to remember, this is your first term. A1 is your second term. A2 is the third term. So an will become your n plus 1th term. And this will become your n plus 2th term. So what you said?
An will be a plus n minus 1 into d.
No, it's wrong. But what
Sir,
if?
I'm saying the first a, small a.
Then also it's wrong. See, you did not understand what I said. I said, in the case that you are writing, when we have a plus d, a plus 2d, like the terms are there, a plus, we write the nth term as a plus n minus 1 into d. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is your nth term. So
Yes,
nth
sir.
term of an AP, pnth, is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Now here, if you are talking about an, in our series, it's not nth term, it's n plus 1th term. Because first term is small a, capital
Okay, sir.
A1 is second term. So an will be n plus 1th term. So when you are trying to write an is not this. An will be a plus n plus 1 minus 1 into d. That means an would be a plus nd.
Okay, sir.
Understood now? You have to be very careful. Now how you will find out the value of d here? Because d is not given. You have to find out the value of d in terms of small a, small b, and n.
Sir, what if we subtract b minus a to find d?
B minus s to find, but how can you subtract? Because b is the last term, b is the n plus 2th term, small a is the first term. How can you subtract them? If you subtract b with a, what would be the value of that in terms of n and d?
N plus 2 minus 1.
Correct. N plus 1 into D. Correct. That is right. So B would be equal to A plus N plus 2 minus 1 into D. That means B minus A by N plus 1 is the value of small d. This d value you can actually put in this first equation. So you would get the value of An as A plus A plus N into B minus A by N plus 1. Now on the basis of this, this is a general formula. Now if you want to get A1, how you will find? What value of N you will put?
Sir, for what?
What would be the value of A1?
Sir, will it be N minus 2th?
A1 is the second term, no?
Yes, sir.
N is equal to 2 you will put. What N value we will put here? N is equal to 1 only will put, because or you can find C like this. We do not know how many terms are there, how many means are there inside, in between. So A1 will be equal to A plus D, which would be A plus B minus A by N plus 1.
Okay, sir.
Like that. And A2 will be A plus 2D. So you'll write it A plus B minus A by N plus 1 into 2, like that. Like AP you find, no? A3 is the fourth term. So A3 would be A plus 3D. A plus 3 into B minus A by N plus 1. Like that you'll find. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Instead of finding the nth term, I should have found out rth term here. That would be better. If I found AR, it would be A plus R into B minus A by N plus 1. That would be better. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Like that you can. But it's again AP. You have to be very careful which term is what. Because small a is the first term, A1 is the second term, A2 is the third term, and An is the N plus 1th term, B would become N plus 2th term. There you have to be very careful. Okay? Acha, this is done. Now let's come to GP. GP is what? Geometric progression. You find difficulty in geometric progression only, na?
Yes, sir.
See, what is geometric progression? Like in AP we have, in AP we have the difference of the consecutive terms is same. But in the GP, the thing is the ratio of the consecutive terms is same. If we have a1, a2, a3, a4 like that up to an, in that case we will have a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2 is equal to a4 by a3 is equal to a5 by a4 is equal to so on equal to an by an minus 1. That is equal to r, where r is known as common ratio.
Okay, sir.
Like we have common difference now, the difference of two consecutive terms is d. Here the ratio of the consecutive terms of a2 to a1, that is the
Same.
ahead, that is same.
Okay,
Now
sir.
in the same way, if I have been given first term only and they have given a is the first term, r is the common ratio. Can you define the GP in this case? Because a is the first term, what would be the second term? It will be, because we know a2 by a1 is equal to r we have, so a2 will be equal to a1 into r,
Sir, A1 into.
which is a into r. So second term would become a into r. Now if I want to find out the third term, a3 by a2 is equal to r we have. Now a3 will become equal to a2 into r. But a2 we already found out earlier. It is a into r. So it will become a into r, which is a into r square. You have to now find a general thing. Means if we try to find a4, how it will be? A4. Arey yaar, what is this? It is moving automatically. A4 by a3 is equal to. Arey yaar.
Sir, A4 will
Huh?
be AR cube.
Huh? Actually, your voice broke so much. A4 by A3, what you said something, I could not hear because it broke like this. Could not hear anything. Again, your voice is breaking. Let me see. A4 is A into RQ. Okay. Luckily, it's the last time, 2 minutes only. But somehow your voice started to break. So the series I can write is A into AR square into AR cube. But you have to remember, A is first term, A into R is second term, A into R square is third term. So in the same way, what would be the nth term? A into R power n minus 1. This is nth. Okay, like that. This is a general GP. And what is the sum? Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. That's the formula when R is greater than 1. And it is also written as A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R when R is less than 1. But both formulas are same. Whatever formula you apply, you will get the same answer. Don't worry. Okay. In the next class, I'll give you the problems related to this. Okay, let's end it.
Okay, sir.
Now your voice become clear. Somehow this internet was doing problem.